This video shows you how to wire the FMS Beaver 800mm with a reflex gyro. This is a standard FlySky 6-channel receiver. This is an FMS Reflex V3 gyro stabilizer. It includes 5 wires to connect to your receiver: aileron, elevator, throttle, rudder, and the mode wire. Aileron goes into channel 1 with the yellow signal wire to the left. Elevator into channel 2. Throttle into channel 3. Rudder into channel 4. And the mode wire into channel 5. Make sure they all go the correct direction with the signal wires on the left side. Insert the rudder servo first. The reflex is marked RUD for rudder and shows the signal wires go to the right. Insert the throttle wire into the THR marked channel output. The signal wire may be white. Insert the elevator wire into the ELE channel. Locate the wires for the front light. Plug them into the receiver channel 6 with the black wire to the right and the red wire in the center pin. Plug the cable from the wings into the AIL channel on the reflex. Now that the wiring is done, we need to mount the reflex. You may need to move some wires around to make room in small planes like this one. The reflex needs to be securely mounted in the correct direction for the model. If the tape it comes with is old or used, you can glue it down. I use medium CA glue. Let's check to make sure we have the correct model profile. Download and open the FMS app. Power on the plane or use an USB-C phone charger to power on the reflex. Click Connect now. Click Connect. Enter your password if needed. 123456. The app will show if a plane profile is already loaded. If it's not your model, choose Switching Airplane. Scroll until you find your model. Choose your model and wait a moment. The app will show an image of the mounting direction. Take a screenshot if you need to. Hit the synchronize button. Make sure the gyro is secure. Now let's organize the wires so everything fits. This small space may take some creativity. I tried it one way and the wings wouldn't close, so I tried another and got it to work. Make sure when connecting wires that they go the correct direction. The colors do matter and they need to match. Always power on the transmitter first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more RC how-tos and coupon codes.